welcome back to another video. For those who don't know, my name is Brittany, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. So guys, today there's no name for this vlog. Probably just make it like a week in my life, because honestly it's like what, 7 o'clock in the night, 7 p.m. 7:49. Call it 15 minutes to 8 p.m. and I'm just starting a vlog. But I was just going to this restaurant to just have a little chill time, to de-stress, just have a drink. Well, not an alcoholic drink, because you know a girl can't drink. So yeah, because girls think. But yeah, just a little de-stress, because it's just been a hectic week. It's just been so stressful. So girl just girl is just trying to de-stress and just, so yeah. So I mean, come with me throughout this week, guys. So my sister is here putting on her shoes. Yeah, we're all in black. This is my shoes.
That's my car. It's black.
Scalia. It's black again.
Check me out.
We've arrived at the restaurant. It's Cactus Club. I've been here before multiple times, so you guys are probably familiar with Cactus Club. So yeah, it's like a little nice vibe in there. And if you're like Jamaican and you come to Saskatoon and you want a little nice place with some chill vibes and some music what we used to, I mean, there's nice to go. I mean, you won't be hearing like reggae and dancehall right throughout, but a couple music that we are used to that just have that vibe, Yeah.
Will you ladies still need some time with the menu there?
Yeah. Well, we haven't decided what we're gonna eat yet. That's what we're gonna do. For drinks, I'm not supposed to be drinking right now. Only person here can drink is this girl, Kalia. So, and then guys, on top of it, even though Diamond is legally an adult, legally she cannot drink. Because not picking up your dopey. Guys, in Saskatoon, the legal age for drinking is 19. But guess what? You can smoke and do everything else at age 18. So you can smoke weed, you can smoke cigarettes, you can do all them something here, but you cannot drink. I guess they're like just slowing down how fast you guys die, so they pick one death at a time. So first, maybe that's it. They don't want you to kill yourself one time. So yeah, but we'll show you guys when the food are again. Fries, regular fries for me, yam fries for her, and what's the name again? Louisiana hot wings. And that's what we're gonna be eating tonight, because it's just a little in there. It's just a little something just for you. And then probably go for a little, we're not sure what we're gonna do afterwards. We're gonna go walk by the park or go home, go eat some ice cream and watch a movie.
Hey, when my man done said, you can do your head.
Hey guys, so we're just done. Ooh, it was filling. We had yam fries, regular fries, and some Louisiana hot wings. It was a good amount. I mean, it didn't look so much on the pictures and the video, but me food probably because of the drinks. I don't know, but we also got drinks. But we also got drinks. So. Yeah, so we're going home. Just leave. I think we're going home, right? So. Yeah, so we're going home. It wasn't too bad, you know. Yes. So guys, today is what? Thursday? Today is Thursday. I didn't really vlog yesterday. But today is Thursday. I'm seriously not committed to this vlog. I don't know. But there's not much to vlog. Yesterday I was home most of the day. Didn't really do anything, but today we were on the road doing some errands with my sister, Michaela, and we just had a quick stop at McDonald's. Here's my sister, Michaela. Yes guys, and I'm just working, doing some editing on my laptop. So I got a large fries, an iced coffee, and an apple pie. And you know, just something quick and easy. And I thought I'd just update you guys. But we have a couple more errands to run. So wherever I can, I will, you know, show you guys. So guys, so we decided to go down by the river in downtown Saskatoon just to walk. It's hot though. Guys, it's a very, very hot day. So there's like this park, playground here. Yeah. So Diamond is paying for parking because one thing about Saskatoon, you gotta pay for parking. And in most places you go, you gotta pay for parking. So that's what she's doing. You like it now, sure?
That's for what time is it?
You're so aggressive. So put it back inside. Guys, it's like 32 degrees,
It's
right?
40
you know?
degrees, she's lying.
It's not, it's 32.
40.
Guys, it's so hot and it's so hot, and this type of hot is not hot and humid, it's hot and dry. So it don't feel good at all, man. The sun beat me. It beat me bad. This idiot. Guys, she got one of those cups and now she don't know how to act.
Yeah, it's all the way from New York.
So yeah, we're just taking a walk by the river.
She's taking a walk in the road.
I'm going down to the river though. Hopefully it's cooler down there because you know when you're near a water body, it gives off, cool down the air, give off a little coolness and thing. So yeah. Yes. So we're going to this little snack shop that they have down here. Guys, it's so hot, man. I wish I bought a large drink at McDonald's. So guys, me here saying that hopefully down by, the closer I get to the river, the cooler it be. Let me tell you something. It's hot. It's hot, man. It don't cool. No little like breeze blowing, but the breeze is hot. Like, no sir. Well, no sir. This summer is summering. One thing, that's summer. It's hot, man. Like, one thing, when it's winter in it. Very cool. When it's summer, When it's summer, when it's summer, guys, it really hot. So, gosh, look how me come out of my nice, cool house to come walk by the hot river. So, we ran most of the errands that most of the errands that we had today, and Diamond decided she wanted to go for a walk. Are you welcome down here? So we're doing it, and then gonna go home, get my hair done. Probably do my nails tomorrow. Not sure. I'm, but yeah. Oh, right here, so cool, man. Yeah, what a great man.
And which flavor? Strawberry and
Cherry cheesecake.
blueberry cheesecake. So it have to be the large to give you the two flavors.
Superhero.
You said strawberry and blueberry cheesecake.
So down by the river, we have like other than the snack shop, we have a spray park. I don't want to show it too much because there are kids here in their bathing suits, and honestly, if it was my child, I wouldn't want some random YouTuber to put my child on YouTube in their bathing suit because I don't know who's watching. So yes, so this is the spray park. I'm gonna go low. Yes. So my drink is ready. My sister collected it. So here it is,
What they go do is that
a cherry slush.
them put the
So here it is. Girl got her slush. Tastes good. So guys, I'm just heading back to the car. Let me tell you, it's so hot because got this to drink. It's not doing anything, man. I'm still hot. The drinks is not cooling down my body. Nothing. So I'm just gonna go home right now and do my hair and all that something to get off the road because in my house it's very cool and nice. So this is the next day. We had breakfast with my stepdad and my mom, and yeah, this is what we had for breakfast. I had scrambled eggs and pancakes and some fruits. So guys, we are back again, and
The way mother gonna. Let me know comments already.
You've
No.
never been to Montana.
Okay, that's good. Come and sit down and wings, so that's nice.
look at my sister's outfit. Hold on. Ooh. So we're going to Montana tonight. Oh, this is the finished product of my hair, by the way. I knew I said that I was gonna do box braids, but that wasn't working out, so this is what I did. These are the nails. Thank you. So the music was pretty loud in here, and it was like good music and all, but I didn't want to get copyright. But this is Montana's, giving pretty much cowboy vibes, So we got a seat in the booth, and this is me just looking over the menu, of course, and some scenery for you guys. And that's my sister and my stepdad, and he's just saying hi to you guys, like peace. So I ordered medium hot wings with some fries, and I got my drinks first, of course. Some ginger ale, and here is the food right here. So fries, everybody else got yam fries. I'm the only one who got regular fries because girl love regular. There's my medium wings. Most of us got medium hot wings, but my sister got honey garlic. Do not recommend. But everything else is tasting delicioso. Morning, guys. So today I am heading out. Let me just get that light in. Yeah. So today I am heading out to this Jamaican event that they have going on, the forest reforms. I'll be taking you guys along with me so you can, you know. So this is the outfit. It's, you know, so I'm really excited. I've never been to this type of event. I mean, I've been to one last year, but that was held by different people and something there. So going to this other one this year. And yeah. Guys, we've arrived.
Never burst my arm. We just oh yeah. Okay, me stop look for your time and create excitement for me. Eh? What's on no time? Eh?
What is? Oh, fried dumpling. Fried dumpling. This banana. This a bowl of sausage. Rice and peas with what? Meat. Oh, jerk chicken over there, so.
You got the jerk chicken even the red one? You know, same one, come back.
Oh, chicken already? Yes, sir.
So, hot dog, banana bread with cheesecake, fried dumpling, you know, watermelon, Gatorade and water. That's what's up right now. Got some more fruits and corn, of course. Yeah, so just a little bit more view of the place. Everyone's like basically eating, and of course, there's kids playing football, and then there's something there. Some good Sanchez are beating in the background. That's why a girl have to do a voice over. But you know, it was a good vibe when the music starts and all that. Love the little we're calling now. Love the little vibe everybody have. Yeah. This cricket match is looking exciting. Orion, you can't let block my vlog.
So you're coming man. You're coming man. You're coming to you're in a man direct. You come right in a man. Say hi. Alright, say hi to the vlog. Cause you don't look coming here.
I can't purge. I can't purge. I was a purge. Who's a purge?
Man, them a play against the man. Beat the man them. No Orient, but you know what? No man. Hello, black shirt. You again?
Come, Ariel. I heard that. Come back.
Big cricket match up by myself. Weird.
Good morning, guys. So today is Sunday and we're going to my mom's wedding. So we're just getting some stuff for the wedding. I think some food and then we're gonna be headed to do another errand to pick up someone else, I think, and then we're just going to go straight to the wedding venue. So I'll vlog and show you guys what I can, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this edition. So today is gonna be the last day in this week vlog, simply because, well, it's already too long and whatever. But yeah, this is outfit. Well, this is not my purse, but this is it. And I'm currently trying to figure out if I should wear these heels. So guys, we've arrived, and this is the shoes that I chose to wear. Yes, thank God I moved out of that. Yes. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the venue right now, how it looks and everything, and when she gets here, I'll probably show you guys her as well. But our resident photographer. Hi. Hello. Huh? Yes. Look my area. So they are officially married right now, and we're just heading to get some photos for them down by the river. And this is how it started. Just started them both together at first.
Ready? Me want to see pure white teeth. If your teeth not white, still smile.
That's right.
That one your teeth not white.
That's a nice picture, right? That's a nice picture. Nice picture, that one.
Alright.
Don't do it.
You were videoing it? That man. Yes.
I know, right? Yes, so guys, we just took some pictures down by the river. We're gonna take off our shoes, so you know, because you know, but we got some really good shots, and we're just heading back to the venue now to eat some food, do something there. We won't get enough clippings.
This no? You know, wrong with things, man. You know, wrong with things, man.
Ooh.
What? I love salad. I love vegetables. Oh, no.
So back at the venue, we had some food, enjoyed some good music, and a couple activities that they had planned. So here we are waiting for the bouquet toss, and after 1, 2, 3, and boom, girl surprisingly caught the bouquet. So so you know, in our culture we always say that whoever caught the bouquet is next. So we'll be seeing. But it was a happy event, and I was surprised that I was on to catch it. So guys, I finally got home. It was a good wedding, and you know, everything was good. And thank you guys for sticking out to the end of this vlog. If you've reached the end, y'all know y'all the real deals. But love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my vlog. I'm just gonna go take down my makeup now. And yes, don't try to do makeup. I've been saying from day one, I'm not a makeup person. I don't know how to do makeup. I just put something on my face. It's been a long day, so it probably all over the place right now. Yes, it is. But love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my vlog, and peace out.